First, apply double-sided tape to the body kit. Clean and apply adhesive. Apply double-sided tape along the arc. Clean the car body and apply adhesive. Remove the screws on both sides of the original car. Tear both sides of the double-sided tape, not all tiers. Install the front bumper. Put on the corner wraps at both ends. Tear off the double-sided tape while pressing. Finally, press both sides tightly, fixed with self-tapping screws. Install for self-tapping screws at the bottom. The front bumper is installed. The same method is used for the rear bumper. Clean the car body and apply adhesive. No screws are needed for the rear bumper. Just apply double-sided tape. Install the side skirts on both sides. Note that the side skirts are aligned here. Fixed with 2 self-tapping screws under the door. The front door is installed in the same way. There are also 2 self-tapping screws under the front door. Fixed with self-tapping screws at the bottom. Installation is complete.